Hey everyone, in this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you how to unsubscribe or cancel your MyFitnessPal premium subscription step by step. If you subscribe through the App Store, open the Settings app, tap your name, then Subscriptions. Find MyFitnessPal, tap it, and select Cancel Subscription. If you're using Android, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, then Payments and Subscriptions. Select MyFitnessPal and tap Cancel Subscription. If you unsubscribe on the MyFitness website, log in on browser, click your profile, setting, subscription, and hit Cancel Premium. Make sure you get a confirmation message. Your plan will stay active until the current billing cycle ends. And that's it. You've now successfully unsubscribed for MyFitnessPal Premium in 2025.